They don't tell you this part of success. They don't show you the nights of doubt, the quiet pain, the moments when quitting feels logical. Declan Rice was 14 years old when Chelsea told him he wasn't good enough. No applause, no explanation, just rejection. For most kids, that moment would be the end of the dream, but for Rice, it became the beginning. While others moved on, he went home with a broken heart and a burning decision. I will prove them wrong. He joined West Ham, not as a star, not as a future captain, but as a player trying to survive. No hype, no spotlight. At first, he wasn't even trusted in midfield. He was pushed back into defense, a position no young player dreams of. But instead of complaining, Rice adapted. He learned positioning. He learned discipline. He learned responsibility. While others chased glory, he mastered the basics. That decision to accept the hard role quietly shaped him into something dangerous. Rice wasn't the loudest. He wasn't the flashiest. He didn't chase attention. While social media celebrated tricks and fame, he focused on consistency. Early mornings, extra gym sessions, silent improvement. No scandals, no distractions, just work. Day after day, opportunities came. Big clubs watched, but Rice didn't rush. He stayed loyal to West Ham, not because it was easy but because leadership is built through responsibility. He wore the captain's armband not with ego, but with humility. He didn't lead by shouting. He led by running when others were tired, by standing firm when pressure came. That's how trust is earned. Then came the moment that changed everything, a European final, a team that believed, a captain who never forgot where he came from. Declan Rice lifted a European trophy not as a boy who was rejected, but as a man who refused to quit. No shortcuts, no overnight success. Just years of unseen effort finally revealed. When Arsenal paid a record fee for him, it wasn't hype, it was proof. Proof that discipline beats talent when talent lacks discipline. Proof that rejection doesn't define you, response does. Declan Rice didn't become great by being special, he became great by being consistent. So if you're doubting yourself today, if you've been rejected, if your progress feels invisible, remember this: they once said Declan Rice wasn't good enough. Today, he controls games at the highest level. Your time is coming if you don't quit. This is Patrick the Motivator. If you don't follow us today, you may not see us again. Thank you for your support. God bless you.